20 largest statues in the world for kids. Statue of Unity. Its height is 182 meters. It is present in India. Statue of Unity. Spring Temple Buddha. Its height is 153 meters. It is present in China. Spring Temple Buddha. Lake Setkar. Its height is 116 meters. It is present in Myanmar. Lake Setkar. Ushikutai Butsu. Its height is 110 meters. It is present in Japan. Ushikutai Butsu. Guanyin of Nanshan. Its height is 108 meters. It is present in China. Guanyin of Nanshan. Great Buddha. Its height is 92 meters. It is present in Thailand. Great Buddha. Sendai Daikanon. Its height is 100 meters. It is located in Japan. Sendai Daikanon. Emperors Yan and Huang. Its height is 106 meters. It is present in China. Emperors Yan and Huang. Peter the Great. Its height is 98 meters. It is present in Russia. Peter the Great. Daikanon of Kita. Its height is 88 meters. It is present in Japan. Daikanon of Kita. Lingshan Grand Buddha. Its height is 88 meters. It is present in China. Lingshan Grand Buddha. The Motherland Calls. Its height is 85 meters. It is present in Russia. Motherland Calls. Daikanon of Kamaishi. Its height is 85 meters. It is present in Japan. Daikanon of Kamaishi. Awaji Cannon. Its height is 80.4 meters. It is present in Japan. Awaji Cannon. Great Buddha of Takaoka. Its height is 80 meters. It is present in Japan. Great Buddha of Takaoka. Tokyo One Cannon. Its height is 56 meters. It is present in Japan. Tokyo One Cannon. Angthong. Its height is 96 meters. It is present in Thailand. Angthong. Guishan Guanyin. Its height is 88 meters. It is present in China. Guishan Guanyin. Leshan Giant Buddha. Its height is 71 meters. It is present in China. Leshan Giant Buddha. Guanyu Statue. Its height is 80 meters. It is present in China. Guanyu Statue.